Welcome back. As you know, it's time to start our entertainment bash. And in our kitty, we have a Tulu film song by a very young and talented singer Anita Sampson and a versatile singer Prakash Kadri. Since the days of the release of Yenna Tangadi in 1971, Tulu film songs written by some of the very well-known writers have always ruled the hearts of the Tuluwas, and even to this day, there is demand for the melodious songs of good old days. Today, we bring you a song from the latest Tulu film, Birse, in which our favorite actor, Kusal Darase Naveen D. Padil, played the lead role. Enjoy this meaningful song from the musical evening held at Town Hall.
ನಂಬಿಕೆನೆ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಕೊಲ್ಪಾವು
takes us to the world of peace and harmony. And Goa's Nightingale, a living legend Lorna, has been doing this for so many years. We now have a song by Goa's topmost Konkani superstar Lorna from her show held in Mangalore. Enjoy this song with dance.
Hello, how are you? You love me?
Behind every successful man, there's a woman. And it is true in the case of Gurkar Eric Oserio. His wife, Joyce Oserio, gives him all the support he needs to carry out his duties. And most of our viewers may not be aware that Joyce is also a good singer. Joyce, a renowned singer of Konkani, accompanies her husband in his musical performances. We bring you a song by Joyce from Salyale Soban, a program held to mark the International Women's Day at Kalangan after this short commercial break.
Wendell Travels and Holidays pleased to announce Cox & Kings 250th birthday special offers. Up to 40% cashback on European tours, up to 20% cashback on USA tours. Flexible tailor-made packages to suit individual needs. Romantic honeymoon packages, fascinating Far East holidays, exploring Australia and New Zealand, domestic and international tickets, visas, exploring our own country or simply taking a weekend break. Please contact Wendell Travels and Holidays, ground floor Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore. Phone 244752 4254881 6452
ಜಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ದೋಷ ಈ ದೋಷ, ಮನೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮೇಲೇಳುವ ಮೊದಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಹೊಸ ಮನೆಯ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಪ್ಪ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ, ಅಣ್ಣವರ ಸರ್ವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ನೀಡಪ್ಪ, ಬಾರ್ಲಾ.
ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಇರುವಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳ ಖರೀದಿ, ಬಾಡಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ಸದಾ ಸಿದ್ಧ.
For anything and everything in real estate, property, real estate and developers, Mangalore.
Oh
this, we come to the end of our today's episode. Thank you very much for being with us. Take care. Bye.